gonna do today. It's a rainy day in Avatar World. It's currently raining, so the kids are scared and Mom, I'm so scared about the rain. So scared that I know, guys. Okay. Okay, so guys, what's something when you are by doing go to the hot tub? Yeah, let's go to the hot tub. Hot tub? No. Okay, this is more warm. Okay, guys, I'll tell you that now. Mama still hot. We're still scared. It's okay. So let's go eat breakfast, okay? Let's go eat breakfast. Okay, now, guys, what did we tell my baby? Some TV together. Yeah, that would be great. Can we just sit down? Yeah. Mommy actually had I just listened about the news. Yeah. Reporting that it's a rainy day in Avatar World. Please go to the secret bunker in Avatar World. Here's the location. We need to go to the secret location. That's where all the threats. And please, all houses will get flooded and everything. So please hurry up. Let's go. Hurry. Do we pack house up? Stuff now? Okay, we go get messages. Okay, Mom, the suitcases are, the boxes, the suitcases are here. I can't believe we need to go out to find this little bunker. But in 10 minutes, the word will come, so let's hurry up and pack. I need to pack I'll pack the stuff, you pack your stuff, okay?
No, but it's not my obio.
Okay.
I said, it's not said like
Sissy, Sissy. Yeah, mommy. Okay. Take your book and put it in key and pack my stuff. Okay. Mama, I'll take care of it. Okay. I'm going to pack my stuff. Okay, now guys, it's time to pack my stuff. Okay, so like I'm going to put it in Sissy's suitcase, of course. If it has not fit, I don't care. First here. Then our suitcase is so full. But for today, I'll wear this, and I'll the same jacket, and then I'll wear the jeans. And then I'll wear my glasses. Glasses actually. Just random. But it's so sad if I'm leaving this town. It's okay, calm down. Calm down and just wear my glasses. Okay.
Yeah, the proof for Aboho.
Yeah, let's pack some things in the bag. Wait, can you hear it? Yeah, sweet. Okay, let's put it in the bag and then we go to the supermarket. Okay. Is everything ready, guys? Yeah.